Are wheel spacers a good idea for electric car?
Choosing a good set of
Electric car wheel spacers
that can make a big difference in performance.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, half-century wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Good half-century wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage half-century rings. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding half spacers. This design is effectively in eliminating the vibration of wheels.
Not all wheel spacers are built the same. BONOSS has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer painted cooling grooves. The specially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves braking performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. BONOSS wheel spacers are made from high-grade aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. BONOSS wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit.
These BONOSS Forge active cooling half-century wheel spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers, which are safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.